Welcome to Crestron Toolbox tutorial. Device Learner is a tool that is built into Crestron Toolbox. It allows you to create and modify IR files for use with Crestron programming software like simple Windows. There are additional things that are not outlined in this video you can do in Device Learner, but this will cover the general basics. For additional functions, press F1 to access the help file. The help file will list the compatible learner devices as well. Let's take a look at the device description menu. You can choose device type, manufacturer, and other options. First, you'll need a Crestron IR learner if you want to learn codes. If you want to manually edit IR files, you can do that without an IR learner, but you will need the codes. Let's open an existing file to take a look. There are various options for opening files. In this case, we'll import one from the Crestron database. Since the driver already exists, the description is already taken care of. If we go to Remote Buttons, we can test or edit commands. To test a command, press the Test button. You'll need an IR learner to do this. Testing the command will allow you to verify the command is working properly. You'll need to make sure the IR learner is pointed directly at the device, just like a remote would be. This is why you usually extend the cable attached to the USB IR learner so you can aim it properly. If it worked, the Good button is automatically checked. To add a command, press the green Add button. Give it a name and a function. Then you can either add it manually or learn it. To add it manually, right-click and choose the CCF Data Format option. To learn it with your IR learner, press the blue Learn button. Once the dialog pops up, point the remote at the learner and follow the instructions. When learning commands, expect to push the button at least twice on your remote. And even though the remote may currently work, be sure the batteries have plenty of charge. This is the most common issue in not being able to learn a command. If you push the button 6 times and it doesn't learn it, change the batteries in the remote. Also, keep in mind, sunlight and other types of light can interfere with IR in general. You can also select an IR command and go to Utilities to see the options available. For example, you could change an IR command from pulse and hold to pulse only. If you modified or created an IR file, you'll need to save it. Typically, you would save this in the programming project folder you are working out of. In addition, when adding commands, or just working with them in general, you can choose from a list of commands the device may do. These are generated automatically based on the device type that was chosen in the database or when creating the driver. Thank you for watching.